How to play the D major scale on the octave mandolin. Start with open D. First finger on the second fret D string is an E. Third finger on the fourth fret D string is an F sharp. Fourth finger on the fifth fret D string is a G. Open A. First finger on the second fret A string is a B. Third finger on the fourth fret A string is a C sharp. And fifth finger on the fifth fret A string is D. So D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. If you have any questions, I'll put my links below. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon so you are notified every time I upload new material. Thanks for watching.